hopefully you have been saving all along. We saved first into our 1000 number as stained glass. Now, when you are finished, make sure that you do a file save, because our next step that we will do, we will no longer be able to edit. What we're going to do now is we are going to change this into a picture, a JPEG, JPEG format. So what I'm going to do is I have a file, save as, but instead of Photoshop, I'm going to use JPEG. I'm also going to name it my first and last name. Then I'm going to go to Hutchinson, Tom Snyder, AAA Klamath, Intro to Tech, whatever class period you are, and save. This will pop up, just click OK. Now, when we go to Computer, Hutchinson, Tom Snyder, AAA Klamath, Intro to Tech, whatever class period, here's my picture ready for print. When you are finished and you have printed and turned in, then you are going to go back to Photoshop and you're going to create the next stained glass, which is going to be a pattern. If you'll remember, the pattern of the stained glass was creating a repeating pattern of different shapes. So instead of drawing lines, now I will have repeating shapes. To have the same shape over and over again, I hold my Alt key, A-L-T, and if you'll notice, the arrow becomes a double arrow. And I just click and drag, and it depends on how you want your shapes, but that will copy it. You may want to use different shapes at different times. To rotate it, I use my arrow. I go on the outside and I have a curved arrow, and I can turn it the way that I want it. This is going to take more time in matching size, shape, and also I may want to change the color so that I could see the difference in the shapes. So one shape may be one color, and then all my rectangles may be a different color. So if I wanted to do this, then I would take my rectangle, select it, hold my Alt key to move it, let go of my mouse, let go of my Alt key. And now I'm creating a repeating pattern using shapes. I would use no more than 3 to 5 shapes per stained glass. And then you're going to repeat all of the steps. Good luck!